That concludes our ceremony this morning. Muli, maraming salamat at mabuhay ang hukbong katihan ng Pilipinas. We would like to request our Cadet Speaker, Colonel Jacob Plateos Imofigado, Philippine Army, and other distinguished guests for a photo opportunity with their students.